designing a stylish stone rain drainage feature in the yard. A man crafts a beautiful wooden couch from raw logs. Building a charming miniature house right on the sandy beach. Converting wooden pallets into a functional, rustic kitchen island table. Flexible PVC pipes created a beautiful growing arch for grapes. Curved brick retaining wall and white stones created stunning landscaping. Repurposing plastic bottles into colorful, creative kids' study tables. Upcycling an old car tire into a sleek coffee table. A buried shipping container is turned into a cozy room. Transforming a dark, abandoned bunker into a stylish, subterranean room. Step-by-step construction of a luxurious backyard swimming pool area. A modern tree house build, complete with glass windows and slide. A man transforms an abandoned, overgrown train into luxury living. Glass dome structure crafted into a floating, fully furnished home cabin. Stacked painted tires transformed into a colorful tiered garden planter. Natural branches and lighting transformed into a custom wooden desk. Rebar and concrete formed a sleek painted gold side table. Simple wooden craft turns into a multi-tiered plant stand. Building a stunning infinity mirror frame with warm strip lights. Concrete and crossed wooden branches craft a stylish console table. Airplane fuselage transformed into an underground, cozy wooden home office.